For Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan, who is entering the fiction space on TV with youth, no proposition is safe. He says it's a gamble you have to take when you are in this field and that only best content will succeed.
Nothing is safe in this world. I mean, when you are doing creativity, you could be doing a little performance here on stage, you could be in front of television, you could be in front of cameras doing cinema. Any kind of art is, how do you know what the result is going to be until you actually put it out? We take sufficient precautions, I hope, but yet there are times when we fail and sometimes we succeed exponentially. So this is a gamble that you have to take when you're in this art.
TV's wide reach is well known, and Amitabh says that comparatively the turnover of the television industry is way higher than the movies.
My knowledge on this is very limited, but the little that I do know is that the turnover of television in India is approximately 3 times more than cinema. So let us say that approximately if the turnover in cinema is 10,000 crores, television is about 30,000 crores. And the reach and the effect and the affect of television in India has just about started. The future possibilities, purely because of the demographics of the country. We used to, and everyone else in the world used to criticize us for being too excessively populated. But it is that very factor that today is beneficial to us. Whether it is a consumer product, whether it is television, whether it is any other exercise, it is the people that are running it. At any given point of time, you have at least 300 million people watching television. This is an enormous figure. We have 800 TV channels in this country. And let me tell you that there are about 300 other applications lying with the government of India wanting licenses to operate. This is an incredible amount of channels. It's the entire universe put together in one country. And therefore, yes, it needs to be given more importance, looked at it more seriously, because it is very challenging. I can understand, content is king, as they say in television. And the one that has the best content is going to be the one that is going to succeed.
Co-produced by Amitabh's production companies Saraswati Creations and Endemol India, the show is likely to go on air in July. The show, which will see Big B as the owner of a construction company, also stars Sarika and KK Menon, among others. IANS report.